An overwhelming sense of grief hangs over the Supreme Court. Heartache over the loss of an icon, made worse for some because of the timing of Ruth Bader Ginsberg's death.
Seeing such, division and partisanship and anger and just so much hurt in this country. It's where we are, and I'm terrified.
There is a sense of dread here. Ginsberg's dying wish not to be replaced until a new president is installed will be ignored.
It's a slight to her memory, and it's a travesty and a tragedy.
Donald Trump will nominate a replacement this week, a woman, he says. Republican senators are ready to use their majority to approve a new justice before the election, despite making this argument in 2016 to reject then-President Barack Obama's Supreme Court pick.
There is a long tradition that you don't do this in an election year.
Senator Ted Cruz sounds very different today.
So the president was elected to do this, and the Senate was elected to confirm this nomination.
But two Republican senators, Alaska's Lisa Murkowski and Maine's Susan Collins, say they won't support a nominee before the election. If the Democrats are going to block Trump's pick, they need two more to break ranks. Mourners are not very optimistic.
I think it's disgustingly hypocritical on the part of the Republican Party.
Across the street from the Supreme Court and the growing memorial sits Capitol Hill. Democrats here are trying to come up with stalling tactics, ways to prevent the Trump administration from appointing a replacement quickly.
We have our options. We have arrows in our quiver that I'm not about to discuss right now.
Democrats aren't ruling out trying to impeach the president again as a way to tie up the Senate, a sign of just how bitter this fight is going to be as both sides dig in. Katie Simpson, CBC News, Washington.